A very good morning, dear students. Today we have gathered here to discuss a DT based session, and the DT based session is speaking about mainly on agriculture. So soil plays a crucial role in agriculture, supporting plant growth and ecosystem health. So it mainly points out on nutrition supply of plants, water retention of the soil, and then biodiversity and crop productivity. So maintaining soil health through this sustainable practices is essential for long-term agricultural productivity and environmental stability. So we have here identified a sensor which helps us in the development of this agricultural process. So over to Jay Sarvesh to explain about the empathy of this project.
Good morning, everyone. In design thinking, empathy means putting yourself in the user's shoes. For soil moisture, this means the understanding the needs of farmers and gardeners. Since the different types of crops need the soil types and moisture levels, sensors are used to check the moisture. Designers must check the moisture. Listen to the users, observe their problem like uneven watering. Uneven watering, we should pour water something for crops. We should pour the 1 day per day. That's like we should do not over water the crops and plants. This helps improve plants health and save water through the method management. Thank you.
Well, I'm here to explain the defined step which comes after the empathy. Basically, this is our design thinking project. Define means after empathizing the problem statements, as Jason said, we need to clear cut our problem statement, which is our next step. According to the problem statements and the empathizers, our main defined part is that soil moisture design thinking involves using a human-centric approach to address challenges like uneven watering, which mainly involves in agricultural practices. Okay, clearly articulate the specific issues related to soil moistures such as drought, resilience, water wastage efficiencies, or soil degradations. This is a measure that volumetric water content in soil.
Now I'll be talking about the ideation part. The ideation we have bought here is that we have implemented a sensor into the soil that is present in the lands, and from that we will understand how much moisture is there in the soil. From this we can know if it's raining, there will be extra moisture in the soil, hence we don't need to water the plants during that time, or when there's too much sunlight or during drought, and as such we should increase the amount of water that is put into the plants, hence we'll be watering the plants more. Hence we can understand, from that we will understand how much moisture is there, and we can stop when the adequate amount of water is put into it. Then through these methods we can also brainstorm different sessions with stakeholders, farmers and engineers, which can help us to understand how more we can help the plants to grow.
I'm going to explain about prototype. It means generating the ideas we have thought in the ideations. This allows for testing and refinement of concepts before full-scale implementations. Key aspects: technical models, user feedback, field trials, education kits, create a prototype kits for community workshops.
Hi, I'm here to talk about the iteration. Iteration is nothing but it's a refining a solution based on the feedbacks. The key steps in iteration process are feedback collection, identify the area of improvement, and refine prototypes, retest, sensor adjustment, and material testing.
Well, our project is based upon declaring the calculating the soil moisture in the soil using an idea about putting it a sensor into the soil, which will clearly determines how much moisture it is. So based upon that, we could take the better decisions, which is basically like upon a machine learning algorithm, which is a data-driven approach. By using the real-world data, we could able to make betterment decisions to make our especially in many aspects like our agriculture, also other aspects of soil structure we could improve upon by implementing our projects. Basically, it is a user-centric solution and a collaboration of our technologies and including our it's a data-driven decision based on the real world. Sustainability focus. These solutions can contribute a better resource management, involvement in agriculture and environmental health. That's it. Also we are going to implement this project in our big scale solutions in the upcoming days.